Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lenny and today I've got something really exciting for you, especially if you've been wanting to build a website for your business but don't know where to start. So just imagine having your own website up and running in minutes without needing to write a single line of code. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this exactly with just one powerful free AI website builder. So whether you are a complete beginner or you're a seasoned pro, this tool is going to change the game for you. So let's get started. The first step is to go to Wegic.ai, and as usual, I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you so that you can go check it out. When you come to Wegic.ai, I'm going to recommend that you first sign up. So if you don't have an account, just click on the sign up button and then sign up. And then the next step for you is to create on build your site. So if you click on build your site, you can come here to this dashboard and click on create new website. And then the way this works is that unlike other website builders I have actually talked about on this platform, this one goes off with prompts and it has an interface similar to an interface of ChatGPT. So if you've used ChatGPT before, you'll be able to use this as well. There isn't too much of a learning curve from there. Basically, it would ask you a few questions. So the free version gives you about 70 credits, which should be good for like your first website. So it's just asking what kind of websites would you like to build. So I'm just gonna put in and say create a technology tutorial website for my business. I'm gonna click enter, and it's gonna take a while and bring back another prompt. So it's saying that you're currently on a free plan, so you get a no frills, quick and easy website creation mode. But don't worry, we would make a snazzy one fast and furious. So first up, we just need to provide like the purpose of this website. It's giving me a number of suggestions here. You could choose from these suggestions or you could put your own custom reason there. I'm just going to say how to and tutorials. I'm going to click enter. Okay, so it's asking me to choose a name. So again, it's giving me some suggestions. I can go with these ones or I can just again put in my own custom one. I think I'm just going to say tutorial Titans. I mean, it's just for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so now the next step is to choose the language. So it has some populated here for me, so you can do it in English, Chinese, Japanese, or other languages. I'm just going to choose English because that's what I want the website to be in. At this point, you just have to confirm if the website name is correct, the language is correct, the website type is correct. And since we are on the free plan, we just get 3 pages. So I'll just say try this out and see if you like it. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade your website and get more pages. And then the design style, they're just giving us a sleek and user-friendly design. So you can just say, okay now, and then enter. It does take a while, but usually it will take about a minute or 2 to generate everything for you. So I think it's pretty good. Okay, now, so our website is almost ready. We're 99% there. And let's see. We'll see how our website looks. Wow, that's really good, right? I really like the website. Once you have the website, you could always click back to edit it. And like it's supposed to be just 3 pages. Everything has been set up nicely for me, including some photos. It's supposed to be a like tech tutorial website, so I don't expect it to be food. I would have rather expected an image about like, let's say with computers or AI or things like that. But hey, this is a free version and you could always change the images if you don't really like the images. But one thing I must mention is that, like I said earlier, in order for you to get the best out of this website, it just makes sense for you to first create an account. And you could either use your Gmail account or you can decide to create one yourself with your email and password. I think from my experience using this platform, I think it makes sense for you to first create an account before trying to build your website. Otherwise, it's just going to break and then you have to do it all over again. So that's a tip for you. But yeah, like all these things are things that you could easily change yourself. So if there's anything that you really don't like, you don't like some of the images, you could basically go back and switch back to editing and then yeah, so if you want to make any changes, you can just click on it. You could add additional sections. For instance, if I want to make any changes to this section, I just have to click on it, and then it will show me in the edits part, and then I'll be able to just edit it and then recompile, stuff like that. You'll be able to also change the photos. So like if you click on this, you can just click on this and then you can just replace the image. So it's really cool and it's quite easy to navigate as well. But yeah, like that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you're looking for a professional photo shoot for your website, for professional photos, then you would want to check out my last video where I was able to generate like a professional photo from a normal photo. Guys, want to check out last week's video. But now that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.